So these live session will make your grip strong on the concepts. Cramming is a different thing, and discussion is a different thing while you are discussing it with the group or with the teachers. So always come live.
Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Apoor Mehra and I represent Conceptual Orthopedics here. And it's been two phenomenal days in my life because I have done back-to-back recording with two lady orthopedicians. In the last decade of my teaching, a lot of queries around the NEET and AIMS exam comes. I am a girl. Is orthopedics only a branch for males? And if I look at the history of my travel across the world, I would see a lot of pediatric orthopedic surgeons who are ladies. I'll see a lot of spine female orthopedicians. I'll see people doing arthroscopies and arthroplasty and very routinely working in the team, right? And it's just very normal. But in India, the ratio is more towards males, and somehow the thought of an undergraduate who finally decides of the branch for post graduation is that there's a lot of physical force involved in orthopedics. But if I look at orthopedic, it's an art and craft where you have to understand science, and then with the advancements you have navigation coming up, microsurgeries coming up. So there's a lot of skill involved. So that thought, I think, will be stronger when we end this interview today. With me is Dr. Sheenam Bansal, who has done phenomenal as a postgraduate student in orthopedics. What is phenomenal about her is she wants to learn more. And if you have this trait, right, everything else is a part and parcel in the life journey. The problem is that people stop learning very soon and then they want to compare how much are we growing. I think in medical science, the growth is dependent upon your power to imbibe knowledge, and how much you can get inside you will finally radiate out. And that decides the elevation. And that's how the tagline of conceptual orthopedics, the learning never ends, continues. Before I go to any interview with her, let's start with the name of this lady orthopedic surgeon's parents. Sheenam, welcome to Conceptual Orthopedics interview. Tell the name of your
Thank
parents.
you, sir. Sir, my father is Shri Ramesh Chandra, businessman, and Mama Shrimati Sangeeta.
Right. And congratulations to your parents, your entire family, and to you for becoming an
Thank
orthopedic
you, sir.
surgeon. From which college did you do your MBBS, Sheenam?
Sir, GMC Amritsar.
So you belong to Amritsar.
Yes, sir.
And then why ortho?
Sir, it always, before and after results of the patients always fascinate me. Uh, During internship, I used to do debridements, amputations, and I used to do dressings of patients.
So
It
you were
always
seeing the results.
attracted me.
Right. So
Yes.
there was something inside you that you said that you have to become an orthopedic surgeon. Where did you
Yes.
do your orthopedics from?
Sir, GMC Amritsar.
Right. So you went to Amritsar again. And when you were opting for orthopedics, did
Yes, sir.
anybody ever tell you you are a girl, you should not take ortho?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what did you tell them?
Sir, I never allow others' thoughts to get inside my head. Uh, I do whatever I want.
Fantastic. तुम जिद्दी हो,
Yes,
headstrong.
sir.
सोच लिया तो सोच
Yes,
लिया,
sir.
right? And that's how the line
Yes,
goes.
sir.
कि ठान लिया तो ठान लिया, मान लिया तो मान लिया. Fantastic.
Sir, I was not getting any valid reason for not taking ortho. They were telling me, no one has done it. Why are you doing? Uh, no one has ever become successful. So I was not agreeing to these statements.
Right. You know, Shinam, my co-guide during my MS orthopedics from UCMS, it's been
Yes, sir.
Professor Shobha S. Arora. She went on to head AIMS Rishikesh, a very successful female orthopedic surgeon, right? And her passion for the subject, you know, you could see her eyes lighting up when she was teaching us, right? And we have noticed you for last year in conceptual orthopedic being present in almost every session. And I pray that your zeal to learn never ends. What area in orthopedics attracts you most?
Uh, so everything is very good, but I always came to see scopy cases and pediatric orthopedics.
Right. So these are two areas that you like.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Scopy and Peds Ortho. Right, Sheenam? And
Yes.
then tell us about your journey with conceptual orthopedics. Recorded videos, live sessions, or notes? What were you glued to?
Uh, Sir, I always prefer live sessions.
Right, because that can complete your topic, and the teacher, it is
Yes,
on the
sir.
teacher that he has to do that.
You can always interact with anyone, and it's a some different feeling from the recorded videos.
Right. And you are able to handle the anxiety as well because there's a cross questioning, you are
Yes,
answering.
sir.
It is a more of a
Uh,
practice that gives you.
you can also overcome fear of not answering questions at that platform.
Fantastic. And let's talk about teachers and your experience with them in conceptual orthopedics. Professor SM Tuli.
So he's a great teacher and surgeon also.
Right. Professor
I
Sunil
have
Kumar.
seen many videos. So he's also I have seen copy videos. So he's also great.
Right. Professor Anil Dhal sir.
So they explain each and everything very in very detail, and you don't need to go through that video again.
All right. So the
Yes, sir.
retention power of his lectures is huge.
Yes, sir.
It will stay with you.
Yes, sir.
Professor VB Basin.
Sir, yes, sir. He's also very
And
good.
I think when it comes to live sessions, Dr. Ravinder Dimri.
Sir, he always keep asking questions, and I always like to interact with him.
Hmm. Dr. Harpreet Shoulder.
Sir, he is amazing.
Hmm. And your concepts for shoulder are
Uh,
strong, I'm sure, with the series.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. He has explained everything. Uh, I always like to attend his sessions.
Hmm. And every orthopedician has to practice trauma. So, the Dr. Shailesh Pai, how was your experience with him?
Yes, sir. They always start from the basics and will take you to the level, to the next level. Like I have seen his acetabulum fracture videos. They have they started from the basics and go to the next level.
Fantastic. And did you attend our sports injury course?
Yes, sir. I have attended all courses.
So you find them? They were doing a lot of things in one go. You were able to have lots of lectures in 2 days.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Shinam, how much time were you giving to conceptual orthopedics app on a routine basis?
Uh, Sir, there are in the conceptual orthopedics, there was OST sessions, and notes were also there. The of all the things that you have explained in the video, and that was very helpful.
Right. So how much time were you giving every day? आप कितना समय रोज देते थे? Means 1 hour, 2 hour,
So
3 hour, or it was different?
before before going to OT, I used to see the surgery videos, and before OPD, I used to see the OPD cases like CTEV, neuroma, DDH, Perthes disease. They usually we see these cases, uh, cerebral palsy.
Right. Shinam, in
So
fact, it's a very good habit. If you practice
yes,
this,
sir.
Dr. Tuli says if I have to operate a patient, I will read about that patient, the surgery, and then go to the operation theater.
Yes, sir. Otherwise, it's all go in vain if you are going to OT without reading it.
Right. And how was your experience when you were giving your exam? Were you comfortable?
Yes, sir. I was very much confident that I know these things.
Right. And they were relating to what the teachers were asking in conceptual orthopedics. They were almost the same.
Yes, sir. I have missed many. I have missed many sessions, live sessions, and in the examination, frankly speaking, I was regretting कि यार मैंने ये सेशन क्यों नहीं अटेंड किया. अगर मैं ऐसा कर लेती तो शायद अभी ये भी मुझे आता होता.
Hmm.
Whenever while I was writing in the examination, theory examination or practical, I was thinking this thing. यार मुझे अटेंड कर लेना चाहिए था.
But I'm sure, Shinam, now you can do it because you should
Yes,
never
sir.
refrain. It is just not an exam. You know, a doctor gives an exam every day, and
Yes.
every patient that enters his chamber, every surgery he does is like an exam. For us, it might be another surgery. For the patient, it is the only surgery of his life. So you can again read it. What is your advice to your junior, Shinam, and especially to female orthopedicians or people who have appeared for NEET are females and their heart they want to do ortho, but world is scaring them? What is it that Shinam Bansal wants to convey to them?
Sir, I want to convey कि if someone is saying anything, so don't let their thoughts go inside your head. Do whatever you want to do. If there is nothing like regret, if you will regret, then it's cause of your thoughts. Don't let their thoughts go inside your head. You are the master of your life. Do whatever you want to do.
Fantastic.
And sir, how I want to tell the premium subscribers of the conceptual orthopedics how to use conceptual orthopedics. You don't have to afraid by seeing 900 plus videos. You just have to take the first step. Don't see the whole staircase that there are 950 plus videos. You just have to see surgical videos before you are going to OT. Before you are going to OPD, you just have to see the main cases which you will see in the OPD. And sir, you always have to always try to attend the live sessions. लाइव सेशंस की सर कोई मतलब है ही नहीं उसका मुकाबला करने वाली कोई चीज. Recorded sessions cannot beat the live sessions. And always participate. Even if you are saying something wrong, even then participate. Become fearless. You don't have to take care what some if you are wrong or whatever.
Fantastic. I think that's a great, great piece of advice. To summarize, I remember the lines of the poem Invictus. I am the captain of my ship, I am the master of my soul. And that's what, if I want to do something, I will do it. Not let anybody else get into your head. What you want to do, you
Yes,
must
sir.
do. And then
Yes, sir.
I pray to Almighty that one day the world remembers this name as a great drop in this ocean, vast ocean of medical science, Dr. Sheenam Bansal. May
Thank
you
you,
take
sir.
the name of you and your family high and high, not only in this city or the nation, but across the globe. May God give you healing power in your hands, that the pain of the patients and the deformity of the patients that come in touch with you keeps on decreasing. May your life be blessed with lots of wishes from everybody. And as a part of Conceptual Orthopedics family, we interact more and more and have you with us throughout this long journey of life. Wish you all the very
Yes,
best,
sir.
Keenam. May God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I want to say something to the females. Uh, to the some people will always discourage you, and the people who will discourage you are the ones who himself has not done something challenging.
Right,
So the one who has done something challenging will never ever stop you.
right.
So you don't have to take care of their words. You only do whatever you want to.
Fantastic. Such a
Yes.
beautiful line. People who are stopping you are not the achievers, and achievers will never stop
Yes, sir.
you. Good.
They themselves has not done anything challenging, so they are stopping you.
Right. So people who have conquered their fears are the ones who will push you to go ahead in life. Fantastic. So it's all in the mind.
Yes, sir. See, sir,
Very
if
good.
I
Very
am
good to hear.
going, yes, sir. Sir, if I am going through some hard times, then why will I will stop anyone? Because I think you are unstoppable. You can do whatever you want to. Then if I know I have if I have suffered from this way, I will never ever stop anyone, because I think if I have done it, others can also do
Fantastic.
in
Because
any
whatever
field.
has been done, there's a way to do it. Fantastic.
Yeah, it's always you versus you. It's not you versus someone else. It's always you always fight with yourself only.
Beautiful. I think this video people will remember for their life. And as more and more females in orthopedics world will enter, Sheenam, remember you will be also one of the causes.
Yes, sir.
God bless you and
So
God bless your family.
yes, thank you, sir. Sir, I have heard something from my junior that there are 950 plus videos in the conceptual, and ma'am मैं कहाँ से start करूँ? तो यही I just want to convey this message. Don't start randomly. Make it a if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So you just have to make the schedule. Before OT I will see these videos, before OPD I will see these videos, and then at last you will left with many less videos, and you will end up completing all of them.
Fantastic. Fantastic. So you want to
Many
say,
have,
think, look from a distance,
yeah,
divide it into different parts, and approach them one by one.
yes, sir.
Right, Sheenam?
And always I will always recommend everyone to solve MCQs. Without MCQs, you stand nowhere. I am with your book right now, NEET SS questions. So
Hmm.
I have solved this book during my exam days.
It also, you enjoy it, no?
Yes, sir. I just love solving MCQs, and your MCQ series is very good. So if you're doing, if you have done some topic, so always you have to do MCQs.
Right.
Without MCQs, you you stand nowhere. You have to practice MCQs always.
Fantastic. There is so much you have spoken in this video, Sheenam, and I'm glad you finally agreed to come on the screen and do this recording. I'm so happy.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic.
Sir, actually, patients and MCQs. These are the two things that will make your grip strong on the topics.
Got it. You know why?
Patients, yes, sir.
Because in clinical material will teach you what 100 books can't, and MCQs will teach you to choose the right option and rejecting the wrong options. So they are in a way going to clear a lot of concepts and doubts in your mind. That's why.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है Shinam. So best wishes to you, and let's plan a session by you on conceptual orthopedics where we will have premium subscribers with 2 or 3 of the students who have used conceptual orthopedics, and they can guide how to utilize the app better.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
do that. Okay.
Sir, I was remembering just now a moment with Dr. Harpreet sir.
Right.
Sir, there is a different scenario when you are reading a textbook and when you are coming live with the faculty. I was reading stabilizers of elbow joint, primary stabilizer, secondary stabilizer. That was only cramming. If you have not seen something, you are just cramming the concept. These are primary stabilizers, these are secondary stabilizers. They asked me, Shinam, radial head is a primary or secondary stabilizer? I told sir that it is a primary stabilizer. Then I came to know, now I have crammed it like these are primary, these are secondary, but they built my concepts that varus पहले जो है valgus को आपका MCL रोकेगा. Sorry, medial ligament will stop. Then radial head acts as a secondary stabilizer.
Right.
Then I came to know. So these live session will make your grip strong on the concepts. Cramming is a different thing, and discussion is a different thing. While you are discussing it with the group or with the teachers. So always come live, always do MCQs, always see patients, and you don't have to think what others are thinking about you or whatever. No one is thinking about you. It's always you versus you.
Fantastic.
You are thinking inside your head. No one is thinking about you. No one is यार और भी बड़े काम है करने को, कोई तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं सोच रहा है.
You're right. वैसे
तो
भी
ये सब नहीं करना है.
वैसे भी what I believe is that if you focus on improving what you were yesterday, you will have a better you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
So all the best, Shinam, and wish your parents congratulations on the behalf of the family of Conceptual Orthopedics, and enjoy orthopedics.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, beta. Bye, bye.